Why are you here today? Okay, to know more of the solar system. In our solar system. Yes? Now, how many planets do you have? 8. What planets and then dwarf planets? So we have 8 major planets and then 5 dwarf planets. You're not the one. All right. So we're always in space. We're all floating in space. Earth is part of the planet, right? Yes. As the planet floats in space, we also do the same. Earth is also in space. It's part of this object, right? The Earth is too big. Look at it. That's it. That's our Earth, and that is our moon. Compared to the other planets and even the sun. I want you to observe and listen to something. When you come back, I'll ask you a question. And how big is it compared to our Earth? The planet is called the red planet. And if anybody it's better we leave it there and see that. Good. Can you classify the sun as a star? Somebody answer for us. Countable. Yes. Stars and moon. Wow. Solar system. You can't count them. What about you? Okay. Okay, we have only one star in our solar system. Okay? We have only one star within our solar system. There are planets or objects orbiting. Right? Good. So within our solar system, we have only one star. But within the Milky Way galaxy, all the ones we see in the night sky are all. You saw it? How is it? Yes, due to the impact of asteroids and comets bombarded on it. No atmosphere. Yes. There are objects with some hills and valleys on it because of bombardment of asteroids and comets. Right? Yes. So the moon is presently suffering, but it's helping us. So we are safe. Is that okay? Yes, last night was dark, right? We wake up and it's the day. What happened? Why is it day? If I'm the Earth, this is the sun. Now, these people over here facing the sun, what do they call it? There are people here, right? Facing the sun. What do they call it? Facing outer space. They're not seeing the sun. What do they call it? Yes? Night. All right. Can you be fast? Can you be very fast? And don't fall. Sorry. The moon is in between the earth and the sun. What do we call it? It's directly in between. It's directly opposite the moon and the sun. In between. What do we call it? Yes, and lunar eclipse. Is that so? Yes? There are people over here trying to see the sun. But the moon is blocking them from seeing the sun. The moon is directly opposite, in between the sun and the earth. So the shadow of the moon is rather falling here. And what color is shadow? What color is shadow? Black. Black. So instead of them seeing sunlight, they're seeing what? They're seeing darkness. Right? So we call it solar eclipse or eclipse of the sun. So now we have the moon the earth being between the moon and the sun. What do we call it? Yes? Yes? Lunar eclipse. Let's give it a full clap. Good. Now, lunar eclipse. This is because these people over here are seeing the sunlight, right? For them, they don't know what is happening here. These people are supposed to be seeing the moon. The moon is supposed to glow at night to give them light. But remember, the moon does not produce its own light. The moon only reflects light from the sun to also glow at night. So the earth is blocking the sunlight from reaching the moon. So instead of them seeing the moon, they are seeing darkness because the shadow of the earth is falling on the moon, on this path. So they are not seeing the moon. So we say what? You call it lunar eclipse or eclipse of the moon.
No.
Am I closer to the sun? Compared to where I was, am I close?
Yes.
Than this way. So we call it elliptical. So it's a rainy season. Why? So we feel cold here. It's a rainy season.
Okay.
Are you sure? And if I'm here, is it the rainy season or dry season?
Dry.
Why? Because we are closer to the sun, so we feel very hot. Okay. When it gets heavy, it falls back as rain. Right? A rainy season. It rains right now, right? Are we feeling cold? Very hot. Right? When I'm here, we feel very hot. When I'm there, very cold. When I'm over there, very hot. We are over there, very cold. How do you produce sound? Yes? Yes?
Or objects collide with each other. They produce sound.
Yes? How do we produce sound? Yes, Auntie? Two metals. Sound is produced when objects vibrate.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to look at that. This is not too loud. We're going to prove vibration. So let's watch this. Can you hear anything?
Small.
Okay, here we go.
Hey, dwarfs.
How many types do we have? Yes? And you want to tell them? Two types of mirrors. Can somebody name them? Yes? You want to name them? There are two types of mirrors. We have plane mirrors and then curved mirrors. Okay? Under curved mirrors, we have concave mirrors and then convex mirrors. What I have here is a concave mirror. If you go to your bars, the mirrors on your bars is called convex mirrors. Okay, well, let's go. This is going to stop. One, two, three. Come on. And here it goes. But see what is happening. Is it going slow or fast? And see whether it's going to slow down or it's going to move faster. Which one?
Faster.
What will happen? It will fall down. Yes? What caused the falling? Yes? What caused the falling? Yes? Force of gravity. Let's give it a clap. Okay, let's see what science can do. Let's see. So we go. At the count of three, let's go. 1, 2, 3. What happened? Okay, so let's try. Let's try moving the driver now. Okay. Let's try moving the driver now. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at the count of 3, let's move the driver down. Come on, let's go down. All right. Then move your hand down slowly. Let's see what's going on.
Stop at the middle, let's see. It's still going.
I see stop.
Go down. Let's run from here.
All right. We don't know. She's been hiding. She'll control it with her mind right now for you to see. Control it to go up and let's see. With your mind. Control it.
Concentrate.
Try as much as you can. Let it go up. Are you trying? Why is it stopping? You are doubting, right?
Come on.
It's going back. Are you telling it to go back? Wow. Let's clap for her.
To thank the Edu Spot team and Miss Kat for sponsoring this project. Thank you.
So we say cheers for that, okay? Number 2. For Edu Spot. Say cheers for Edu Spot. Number 3. Cheers, okay? Number 4. Planetarium, at least. But at least we've done something, we've learned something, eh? So we say toast. Left and right. Left and right. But the found
Thank you.